Alright, so floor went in yesterday, installation of that. So now I'm having some real issues with the noise on the huge doors on the side. So I bought some stuff already because I knew I wanted to dampen the sound. So I bought this stuff, Silent Coat, which is like sound deadening matting that you can stick to panels. So looks like this. Sheets, adhesive back. It's going to stick it to all the panels. Loads on the doors. Maybe some on the roof. I might cut strips, the bits in between, and then going to use up what's left of the floor insulation underneath that I had, and I've got some stuff for the roof, and I got just a bunch of like the aluminium foil stuff to go around. I'm not really sure how I want to do it yet. I don't want to cover up some of the beams. You know, I think I'll figure out as I go. Definitely want to get the wheel arches covered too. So, yeah, let's do it. Thanks, mate.
Did I do that?
Well, yeah, but each one takes me a little bit of time, so I won't worry too much. So you see me sticking the last bit down, and then you can pass it up. Cheers, mate. Dodo, like a seagull. Where's my knife, mate? Can I put my knife somewhere?
Oh, well, you Dodo knife. Dodo.
You clean it up.
Oh, here.
There we are. Lovely job. Thanks, mate.
I didn't clean it up.
Nope, you didn't.
I don't touch it.
No, it's dangerous, isn't it?
Oh, Dottin. Can I show you it really bad?
What's that?
Look.
Whoa, when did you do that?
I don't know. It's ow. I'm going to
You'll show mummy, yeah. Yeah, he's doing a great job. Dan, you know you don't always have to do all this, right? You don't want to do it.
doing it.
What?
If you don't feel like doing it all, you don't have to. You know that, right?
Loves doing it, don't you? Hey, listen, you get clean arranged for this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get £2
No,
an hour.
£10.
£2 an hour.
£10.
He's on £10 an hour. You're almost on £12 now.
Oh my goodness. That's well worth helping them.
Roof is done.
Huh?
Soundproofing's done.
Is that
Now I've got some other bits and bobs to do just to fill in some spaces, cover everything with the aluminium foil probably. I still got some dodo stuff from the floor that go in. I'll find somewhere for that to go. Smart. I want you to sit on that end for me. Yeah.
They're okay like that.
Perfect. Well done, Danny boy.
What are you sorting about the cowboy?
So they know what it is.
What is it called?
Contact sprays.
Coca-Cola. Is it called that? I got my buddy part.
Oh, sweet. You want to get paid then, do you?
No, I go in here a minute. Now we're in a minute.
Let's do it now, boy.
Look what money I got.
I reckon I should do it for the day, for the last 2 days, yeah?
20.
So you got extra £2 there because you worked for about 18's worth of that.
How much is it?
20 quid. Loads. Chuck it in there, show mummy and daddy, make sure they know you've got it, alright?